Well, hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. Well, in this session, we'll discuss more about data structures, which are very crucial for managing and organizing data efficiently in Python. So Python offers a variety of data structures, each with its unique characteristics and use cases. So let's discuss list, tuples, dictionary, and sets and demonstrate how to work with them. And in later videos, in upcoming sessions, we'll discuss each of them one by one. So let's just show you how all of them are declared. Show you the example of lace. Let's take fruits. For example, apple. And that's how we declare a list by square brackets, and in that elements that are separated by commas. Let's see how we declare a tuple. Example of coordinates. So in tuple we use round braces and elements are separated by comma. Now let's see how we declare dictionaries. Let's comment this out. Let's take for example person. So braces, and here we define bunch of key value pairs. And why? Now let's see how to declare sets. So sets are also declared with the help of curly braces, but as you have seen in dictionary, we are declaring elements in key value pairs. In set, we do not declare like that. We just declare them elements like we have declared here in list and here in tuples. So single items are declared. So and they are unique in nature. Say unique number. Let's print them out. Plural. Let's run these. App. Let's run this again. Now here you can see fruits that are where we have used square braces and separated each elements with the help of commas. This is list. So that's how we declare a tuple with round braces and elements that are separated by commas. And in dictionary, we are declaring key value pair like See, in real world dictionaries and in sets, we are declaring unique numbers. So in set, we cannot declare duplicate values. In list, we can declare duplicate values. So let's see, for example, let's if we just print them out, you see it's just showing 5 once. But while declaration of set, we have declared 5 twice in here. So that is it for the short video on data types, data structures in Python. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to stay updated. So, and remember, we'll be covering each topic such as list, tuples, coordinate, tuples, dictionaries, sets, each topic one by one in the next upcoming videos. We're not just done here. We have just seen how to declare data structures, the 4 type of main data structures in Python in this video. We'll be exploring each of them in later upcoming videos. So we are done for today. Thank you.